Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a 25th birthday vlog, and like every year we are going to do my nails, my pedicure, my lashes, get ready, go to dinner, all that stuff. So I hope you guys come along with me on this journey. 25th birthday, so crazy, blessed to see another year, blessed to have birthed my baby girl. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. I just did my lashes. Sorry, these pimples are killing me, but I did volume. I just did a little bit of my makeup. I just did like a little bit of foundation to cover up the redness of my pimples, put some blush, and then highlighter. That's all I did. So this is the dress I'm gonna wear tonight. It's just pink. I was gonna wear black, but that's too simple, so going with pink. I got this shirt that says shop to 25, established 1999 from Amazon, but yeah, I thought this was cute too, so I'm probably gonna wear this on my birthday maybe. I'm wearing this pink dress today. I am ready for my dinner, but not, this is my first dinner. This is with my brother, my mom, my fiance, and the baby. And then next week when my birthday does come, my fiance is gonna take me out. But this is my outfit. I have my earrings, did my lashes, did not do nothing to my eyebrows. I put on some foundation, blush, and highlighter. My necklace, my pink dress that I got from Amazon, Pandora bracelet and another bracelet, hair tie, and just a heart bracelet. Oh, I didn't ask my mom about my ankle bracelet. I took that off when I gave birth, so gotta find that because I had an ankle bracelet. This is dangerous.
Or I don't know how many, all these tickets it came with.
Come on, Belly.
Belly? This is my twin.
Let's go. Happy birthday.
So I'm gonna show you guys what my fiance got me for my birthday. So he had asked me what I wanted, and I really didn't know, but I was like, let me think. I have like 3 pairs of shoes here. Usually just wear my Air Forces, so I'm like, maybe I should ask for sneakers. So he got me a pair of sneakers. These are how they look. That's what they look like in the back. They're really nice. I'm so excited. It's called the Air Jordan 12 Retros. And this bag says it's very super nice. And then I also wanted socks too, so he got me socks. I'm gonna show you guys the balloons. Got the 25 balloons, and I got a whole bunch of balloons. He gave me like 4 balloons, and his parents gave me more. So I got all these balloons. Super nice. But yeah, 25. Oh, okay, so it's a couple days later, and me and my fiance are going out to dinner for my birthday. We are going to like a wood and fire pizza place, pasta place, like stuff like that. It's not yet that time, but I'm gonna do it now because then when the time does come, I have to feed the baby again before I leave and all that jazz, and set everything up for her. I'm just gonna do my makeup right now. We're gonna just do a light makeup basically. I just got this concealer the other day when I went to Target with my sister. We're gonna use it. Hopefully it's in my shade. It's in medium, 25 medium. So yeah, I have not bought any new makeup products in a while, so we'll see how that goes. And this on my pimples, as you can see, I have a couple. They're not as bad as they were like last week or like in the beginning of the week, but it's kind of light. It's kind of light, but I'm just gonna put the powder over it and hope for the best. It's good for my under eyes, but I put it for my pimples, so we're just gonna have to work with it. What happened? What happened?
What are you fussing about? What are you... Oh, your puppy fell. Here you go. Hi, smiley baby. Hi, cutie pie. You gonna talk to mommy?
I was gonna talk and say, like, I never expected to be a mom at 24 and then turning 25, like, to like think that. I don't know, did everybody ever have like a specific thing when they were like, oh, I'm gonna get married at this age, can I have a kid at this age, do this at this age? Like, I don't think I've ever had like that plan. I was just like, whenever it happens kind of deal. So it's like so interesting how life just works, because I would have never expected it. Honestly, I would have thought I would have had a baby older, because I was not really like out there like looking and stuff. I was just doing me and stuff and living life as per usual. So to think that I have a whole baby and she's probably just staring at me like, what am I doing right now? I'm gonna look over real quick and see what she's doing. I bet she's like, I have a pimple right here on the side. Oh well. But she's probably just looking at me. Yeah, she's like looking at me like, what am I talking about? Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? She's so adorable. She's gonna be 4 months soon. Like, that is the craziest thing ever. Like, let me know in the comments, like, if you guys ever had like that plan. I feel like a lot of people do have that plan. I just never really thought of it, because me and my sister, my older sister, we were just like, yeah, we're gonna be alone forever, we're gonna, you know, do us, live life and stuff like that. So it's crazy how life just works in like a couple of years. Look at all this highlighter on me, but I like hit myself with my phone this morning on my lip. It's crazy how I'm 25 years old. Like, I've been doing YouTube for like a while, and you guys have seen me grown. If you guys have been with me for a while, I always do these every year. It's always different, kind of the same at the same time. But yeah, it's just a different life now for me. Honestly, I don't want to do my eyebrows. I always leave it like this now. Like, I just have it natural. And yeah, I should really just fix my lashes. Where's my mirror? Oh, here it is.
Hey, you want to be on my YouTube video?
I just need to comb these out. Make sure these lashes last for a while, because after this, going back to natural. I just got this brush to do my lashes, because I'm like, I'm not gonna keep using like the reusable ones and throw it out and then drop it somewhere and blah blah blah. Like, so I have just this one. But yes, this is my makeup for today. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my hair. Probably like put in a ponytail and then curl the front pieces. But I have this blow dryer thing to like blow dry my hair, so maybe I'll use that and see how that works. It is the most adorablest thing ever. Like, if you guys have not seen like where I've been, or like my pregnancy video and like labor and delivery story, you should really check that out. But yeah, she is very nosy. A very nosy baby. You're so smart. Yeah, she said, yeah, I know I'm smart. What you talking about, Mom? But, oh, actually I'm gonna use this. I got this jumbo white eye pencil. Like, do you remember back in the days where like everybody used to use this for the white eyeliner on the bottom? Like, I'm gonna try that again. Like, I'm really wanting to do that trend again. Like, to open up. But then everybody's like, that doesn't open up your eyes. You have to use the same color as your eyes. Like, I don't know. Do you remember that? I still have this highlighter on my fingers. It's just gonna end up going everywhere. Comment down below when your birthday is, and stuff, and how old you're turning. Comment down below any videos you want me to post, because your girl is busy and don't know what to post. So just let me know.
Do you remember the trends?
But yeah, I'll show you guys when we're on the way to the restaurant, the food, all that jazz. Oh, and if I end up doing my hair, and I'll show you guys my outfit and stuff. But yeah, so I got this off of Amazon. I saw this girl use it, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, because I don't know how to use these brushes at all. That's kind of awkward. Comb my hair. This is a natural hair. It's really long. I didn't notice how long it was till like a week ago. I literally cut my hair before the baby came. Crazy how it just grows so much. The past 3.5 months. I never know where my middle is, the middle part. Oh, my hair is going away. Anything is going up in a ponytail. I mean, it is kind of better because it's not getting stuck in my hair like actual brushes. Because I don't know how to do this. I didn't even have to tie this part up, and now it's probably tangled again. I'm very straight in my hair. Definitely more for the whole set, but I like the measurements. I do like this stuff. I should have gotten, stupid me, this cost like 40 something bucks, and I could have gotten a whole set to change the top of this and like all these curling wands and all this stuff for the same price. But oh well, make mistakes. So I just have this video of my outfit. I was too busy distracted talking and also wanting to take pictures, so this is what I have. So I'm wearing this one-piece jumpsuit from Amazon. The white shirt is from Zara, and I'm wearing my Air Jordan Retro 12s. So I didn't end the video, so I'm gonna end it right here. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys stay to the end, and if you stay to the end, comment down balloon emojis. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.